All right, folks, what we're going to be doing here, this is where we're going to be starting our seeds at this year. We're going to build a little water bed. We ordered some more of those styrofoam trays for seed starting. I believe they're 128 cells each one. And what we're going to be doing, building a little frame up here. You'll put plastic inside of it, fill it up with water, and you can have a heater put in. What we used was a waterbed heater, controlled the temperature, and that should give it enough warmth for the nighttime. We're hoping anyway. We'll let you know here. Alrighty, probably got a shine on there, but we'll see. Hold on. So we can go ahead and move the board over now. Tries. We're just going to use this insulation board to try to insulate a little bit there, just to help out where it'll hold the heat better inside. Try to help insulate it a little bit for on them cold nights. It won't lose as much heat, we hope. get some on the sides. I think we've got enough here maybe to do the whole thing here. I believe we do. What I'll do, break that piece there off. Okay. Now we're just taping the seams. This ain't gonna be holding water itself. What we'll do now, we'll take a piece of plastic. First, we'll take our hot water bed heater, lay on top of this, and then we'll lay the plastic on top of that. This will just be the frame to hold the water in. And then the trays will sit on top of that, just float. And it'll just stay moist. Just putting this here around the corners and everything to keep the plastic from going back up underneath when we go to start filling them up with water. It'll still be a little ways out because Lord, we've still got a bunch of winter here. When we get done, I'll take you out here and show you where we're going to be trying to do we're going to make a caterpillar tunnel. And I'll show you the location where it's going to be. Alright. Nothing happens. We're going to be building a caterpillar tunnel down through here for our tomatoes and some of our beans. And we'll be getting that on video for long. Still got to buy the pipe and some rebar. And hopefully it'll turn out. Okay folks, this here is a heater for a waterbed. Got it off of Amazon. And up here will be the controls. We're going to take a piece of plastic and lay in here next. That's what the water will actually be sitting in, to where it won't leak out. We'll show you that step in just a minute. Here, lift up the back. Yeah, we got slack, pull some up that way. Okay. Alrighty. Now, I'll go get the water hose and we'll start running some water in there and see how it looks. Now we're just going to put some water in this. we just about filled up all we're going to fill up in this. Here you can see the waterbed heater, and there's the temperature probe. And then over here is the control, and we can just set what temperature we want, and the water will get to that temperature. And this will be the, I've got some other ones in the house, but just to give you an idea, this is what they'll look like. They just float on the water like that there, and it sucks up the water from underneath. And there you have it. When we start planting, we'll show you some more video. Okay folks, we've removed 4 of our wicking tubs from inside of our little greenhouse. Well, hello to you too, Rooster. Alright folks, we've took out 4 of our wicking tubs outside of our little greenhouse here. And chickens are singing here in the background. You can hear them outside. Alright.